Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a pantry organization. In my pantry, as you can tell, I don't really have that much stuff in there. That's because I really don't like to keep a lot of things that we just don't need, or like overload on like food and snacks. We don't really snack a lot, so the snacks that we do use are in there, and then of course when they're all gone, I'll just go ahead and replenish them and go to the store and get more. My canned goods we don't really use, but I do have a few, and like my pasta sauces and things like that I do keep in my cabinets because I do have a lot of cabinet space. So things like this, like ketchup and oatmeal and sugars and things like that we use every day, I do keep in my pantry. For some time I have been having a little struggle with trying to organize this pantry because it's kind of like shaped differently, or shaped weird, I guess, and I just didn't really know like what to put in there. So in today's video I am trying to get everything in order, and of course this will be a minimalistic approach. I don't really like to have a lot of extra things. Of course, like I said, I don't really use too much. I like to have exactly what I need, and if I need more, I'll actually just go back to the store and get it. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And of course, if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for stopping by. Please let me know what you think in the comments when it's all done. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. After I cleared out everything from the pantry, I am using the Miss Myers multi-surface spray and the scent Mum, and it smells so good. I actually feel guilty because I'm cheating on my Everspring multi-surface spray, but this smells so good. Like, it just smells amazing. So if you have not tried this product already, please do yourself a favor and pick it up. Like, it had the whole pantry, and I also will have a video of me cleaning my kitchen coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. And I used that to clean my kitchen, and the whole kitchen smelled amazing. If you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments on what you think about it, and if there's any other scents that I maybe should try. But this Mum flavor is just, it's just the bomb, y'all. So make sure you get it.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love.
Well, now I am trying to place everything back in, just kind of like seeing where I think it would be a good idea to place them. And guys, if you see me like twisting the canisters and everything around, I just like to do this just to make sure everything is like lined up correctly. No particular reason and no particular method. I just like to make sure everything is in its right place, and especially since I do have a lot of space in the pantry, that I do feel like everything could have a really nice social distance thing going on there. So that's what I'm doing, just making sure everything is kind of like lined up nice and neat. And if you are interested in any of the canisters and baskets or anything that I use, I will have everything linked down below. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase these things yourself.
Feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all, beat all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again.
Alright guys, so I have no clue as to what I'm doing. I'm just trying to organize everything and see how I would kind of place the items in the pantry. So we're gonna see how this goes.